this time on Off-Grid Adventures. So today I am trying to head to Joey's Lookout here in Steamville area. It's a bit of a steep hill. I don't know if I'm going to get up there because it's still pretty early in the spring, so guaranteed the road is probably washed out, so let's go see what it's like. So I just got to the first obstacle, and this is no big deal to get across, but up further it looks like it's going to be a lot of snow, but I'm still going to give it a try anyway. So here's where I'm crossing right now. Anybody out there ever did any off-roading in the snow, you probably know that this time of year is terrible for trying to get around. It's like salt. I mean, I'm not in much snow here, but it's just no traction. It's not compacting at all. And as you can see, it's not even up to the rims yet. But I'm still going to back up and make a run for it, just because I wanna. Well, that's the first obstacle overcome, but from here on out it gets higher and higher altitudes. We're going up the side of a mountain, so we'll just see how far we can go without getting stuck too bad. Well, I don't think I'll be getting up here today. It's getting to be a pretty steep incline now, and with all this non-compacting snow, it's getting pretty bad. I mean, just where I drove now there's a stream running down through my tire tracks, so you know that's all water underneath. It's too messy. It's not going to compact. I mean, I know as I could get up further than this, even if I wanted to take the time, I could winch myself up the hill, but I mean, this is still like another kilometer and a half, and it gets steeper and steeper the further I go. So I guess this is out of the question for today, but I am going to put the drone up for a bit, see what I can see around here. And right across of the highway here is Mine Pond, so I'll probably go check that out. I'm just getting so anxious to get back on the trails again. Beautiful weather today. It's like 11 degrees Celsius out. It's just really nice weather. So just at the beginning of Mine Pond Road here, going down the hill towards the pond, and to the right I noticed there was a trail cut recently within the last year. So I took a walk in to see if there's anything in here, and sure enough, I think someone's been living here for a while. I know when me and Crystal was out in the pond last year kayaking. We seen a tent set up here and a camera on a tripod and stuff like that. And there's definitely been someone staying here for a while, but not a whole lot left here. But let me show you what I seen. So there's a tarp here, and looks like beavers have been busy. On a bench, a fire pit here, some electrical conduit, which is strange. And over here, there's a fire pit with a pair of, looks like those shoes for in the water. Anyway, someone had a pretty decent setup here. It's a beautiful spot. Just up there is that pump house when I first drove in. Probably seen it there to the right. And the water comes out here and goes out in the mine pond. So, it's interesting. Well, looks like it was no trouble to get in the mine pond anyway. So that's a good thing. We did camp here before. Well, not in this ammunition storage bunker, but we camped out by the pond. It's a beautiful spot to go camping in the summertime. Close to town and everything. And I did a video on this building before. It's from when the Americans were here. It's an ammunition storage building. So I'm not going to walk through it again because I already did a video, maybe two on it. So let's put the drone up and see if we can see anything. It's a little windy out today, but I'll give it a shot and hopefully I don't crash it this time. So I was trying to drive around the back of the pond here, where we used to go camping, and still pretty deep with the snow, and it gets worse the further you go in. So I guess that's on hold for another week or so. But I'll just give you guys a quick rundown on what's going on here. It's a narrow trail as it is, so it's hard to back out of. So I didn't want to drive in too far if I know I couldn't turn around. And this is what it looks like right here. I mean, I know it's not terrible, but it's still non-compacting, so it's hard to get through. And up around the turn there, it gets, I say, about another 8 inches to a foot deeper. So, yeah, definitely not going in there today. I might go check my trail cams, see if I got anything on them. And my last video, I was flying around the drone up in Black Duck Siding. And anybody watching my channel a lot noticed that I talked about earthquakes or tremors that they had in Black Duck Siding. It looks like I may have found something with the drone. I didn't put it in the last video, but I'm gonna go out there and fly the drone closer to what I seen, and let me know what you guys think in the comments. Think if it's something or nothing. I'm not really sure. I don't want to hike in there yet because it's snowing. If there's a big hole in the ground there, I don't want to get down in that hole in the ground and not be able to get out. But from what I see, it's the side of a mountain, and in the snow there's like a big crack down the side of it with the trees flopped over on each side of it. So I don't know, it looks like something to me, but I'm really not sure. But whatever it is, something did happen out there. This was earlier this winter, and it was quite the shake out there. And I'm hoping I might have found something to it, but it might be nothing too. So let me know what you think when you watch it. Okay, we're in Black Duck. Then I get into the track tracker and head her on up the trail.
She said don't call my phone on Friday night, but I never did listen. So I'ma hit you now on a FaceTime, and I know you won't miss it. Girl, I know you waited, you ain't over me. You only wanna talk to the stove with me. Things didn't work in the past life. That doesn't mean that I won't try. She said, stop it. You always let me down when I want you. I can't help it. Girl, I can't let you forget me. Won't let you forget me. Yeah. Girl, I take back all the lies and the side. Girl, I try. Let's remember all the times that we didn't have. In the times that made you laugh when you sat and put my lap in the borders wasn't packed. Cause it goes here, back and forth we go. That ain't all she wrote. We got ways to go now. You try moving far, I try moving on. I can't let you forget me. She said, stop it.
Okay, so just got to the spot where I'm going to put the drone up. It's actually a really nice day out, hardly any breeze at all, so it's perfect for flying the drone. I'll get this set up and let's see what we can see here. Well, I flew it down there anyway. I couldn't really tell because I was getting snow blind. The snow is that bright on the eyes today. Hopefully when I get back to the laptop I'll be able to see if I can see anything more plainly. So we figured since we were out here, might as well go for a little hike through the woods. Down by Black Duck Pond here, there's a beautiful trail that circles around the side of the mountain we were just on top of. And it's well beat down from Skidoo, so great place for a little hike. Pretty strange sometimes how trees can grow. If you look at this up close, pretty cool. Still surviving. Pretty tall too. It's a birch here. What a beautiful spot.
Yeah, oh my Lord, watch me sway. Darkness falls and we all pray, hoping for the light of day. Down to the river, I have held the devil's hand, felt the weight of my own sin, burdened by the heart of man. Down to the river, down to the river. Oh, bury me, carry me, oh, far beneath, oh, fire and water me, going down deep, say, oh, bury me, carry me, oh, far beneath, oh, fire and water me, washing me clean, kerosene creek. Mama taught me how to live, Daddy taught me how to give. Both of them had their own sin. down to the river. Every man has felt the shame. All our blood, it runs the same. Father, hear us as we pray.